Morning, buddy. You okay?
Good morning, Marco. You right?
Yeah, good. Thanks. I'm just doing a few things. I'm gonna leave the screen off if that's okay.
No worries.
Yeah, I'm ready for work. Sorry, man.
No problem. How was your long weekend?
Yeah, I was working. If I'm honest with you, so I was working Friday. I'm just helping a friend out. So I'm working. I work Friday night, Saturday night. So that's why I had to leave the thing early on
Okay,
Friday. So yeah, it's been busy, man. I'm just a bit tired if I'm honest with you, but it's okay.
It's good.
We do what we have to do, no?
Yeah, busy is good, man. It means we have something to work on it.
Exactly. You? How was your weekend?
Yeah, yes, I've just been out, just chill out. But I was working as well, the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. So just yes, I'll chill out a little bit, switch off, and there we go, business as usual.
Exactly.
So let's start then.
All right, man.
And there you go. Can see my screen. Cool. Okay, let's start with the S&P 500 because yesterday, I don't know if you saw Jake's video on Discord. Yeah. And so we are seeing some buyers stepping in on indices. But we are a little bit concerned because this is very bearish move for us. Found a nice resistance here, and now it's found a support here, which he done here as well. So we are predicting phase 2 is happening now. So if we are set up to maybe go long on indices, but this is up to us because it's a very short trade and it's a reversal trade.
It's a reversal trade, yeah.
Cool. I'm gonna show you how you can manage, or you can see in the small time frame. So if you start to go 4 hour, is still on downtrend, and if it's gonna break this point here, 4,000, which is at the moment right now, and go like this, stay above, maybe until here, it's good. 4 hour trend. If you go lower, 1 hour trend, you see, you can see, and now it's here, it's struggling as well.
Yeah.
Let's see, it's not top of our list, but if in the US section we see, because you see this bar, it was yesterday 8 o'clock, this big bullish engulfing bar. No, even it's not even bullish engulfing bar because this is lower. Look, after this big bullish bar, and then this is happening. So let's see if something's gonna go on the US session, and because we can clearly have right here 2-to-1 easily, so it's good reward to risk. And but anyway, we are still at the beginning of the month, so we are not, it's not top of our list, but let's see if we're gonna see something is happening like this. Stay here. Also, let's see the pivot point. This is monthly. Where are you? Show me. Okay. Yeah, as Jake said, yes, this is the pivot monthly point, which is spot on the resistance level. So can have the price bounce here and then start to go lower again. And actually here, if this is going to happen, phase 2 at the moment, and then phase 1 again starting, hopefully this level is going to hold again, and then to start to be an index buyer again. So let's see, couple of weeks it's gonna happen. Also Nasdaq daily time frame. The buyer stepping as well yesterday here, but S&P is more bullish. Look at the bar. It's nice low test bar. Let me move for the pivot point. So that's why if we go long, we're gonna go longer on S&P. Nasdaq still for me is not that bullish like S&P. It's also it's good as well because there is this trend line on top of this channel, which was trading before. If you can see here, something then broke out and then stay above. So if you stay above, is a good point to buy indices, but we prefer S&P. But this, if we correlate together and stay above on this trend line, it's good to have even the Nasdaq a little bit bullish at the moment, and also US 30, the Dow, as well. The same as a Nasdaq is on top of this trend line, which break here and then stay above, but it's a lot going on here. This make double bottom here on top of this trend line. Make me zoom out still a little bit. Nice low test bar yesterday. So this is nice double top, double bottom. So if you go, so when we see something like a reversal pattern on daily time frame, it's always nice to go on lower time frame and see what the price action is showing. So this is still on downtrend for hour. Hourly start to have a kind of head and shoulder pattern. So left shoulder, head. So if this and rejected this point, maybe you can see a right shoulder forming. And here as well is nice support, support, support. So if you break this one, a nice retest on the top of the right shoulder, it's good reward to risk as well to go long until here, just short term on Dow. So top of our list is S&P and Dow as a reversal trade, and this as the indices. So let's see on dollar index what is doing at the moment. So we see last week a nice bullish week, and by yesterday this is an inside bar, so is an indecision bar. So let's see if we're gonna be a buyer of dollar because obviously is bullish, but this is a significant level. What Jake as well yesterday mentioned on, if we go drop weekly time frame, sorry. Weekly time frame, there you go. Happen here, and now we are in the same level. So let's see if we're gonna have a shallow retrade. No huge, because when always touch this level, then this up, bam. This was more stronger. So let's see if this, because even indices, so if indices is gonna go in phase 2, it's nice, even the dollar is going in phase 2 as well. So if you go down daily time frame, let's clear all my artists. So let's say, for example, if the index is gonna go like this, so we want to see the dollar a little bit retrace, even if it's gonna even go sideways a bit, and then this 20 MA start to go like this, have a nice support, and then start to go buy dollar again. And hopefully it's gonna break this level, so it's gonna go in our way even more. So the most pair to correlate with dollar is at the moment Aussie. We can see yesterday reaching a significant level, which done a few times false breakout and then come back again. But for me, I'm not gonna get a reversal trade on dollar, because I will never know when, if it's gonna break the level. So I will monitor today if it's gonna reject the 103.83. So if this we're going to drop down 1 hour time frame, which we can see already is struggling. So this is the movement. So this reject. So let's see if it's gonna reject another time, and then this is gonna happen. I'm gonna be a little seller of dollar, but still is a reversal trade. So all you waiting for this is happening, breakthrough, if it's gonna be strong dollar, and start to buy dollar again. But is may likely to happen because we have to see a little bit of a retracement on dollar anyway. So yesterday Aussie as well, double bottom, and now it start to go higher a bit. So let's see if it's gonna reach this level as well, maybe go short. So let's watch this 0.7186, because when it's reaching a significant level, we always want to see like nice pullback. But at this level or otherwise, let's watch as well here, because you have nice interaction as well here. So let's have all this pullback, or maybe here and then lower. So this is around mark level 73.20. So the other pair is Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar as well is reaching a significant level. Let me remove this one. This is going low a little bit here. So this is weekly time frame. We can see support here, try to go lower and then come back and then go down. Here, nice support. So let's see if it's gonna have a nice pullback here at this 66.11. So if we drop down daily time frame, we can clearly see a huge push down, bearish move. So it would be nice to have a nice pullback here on this support resistance level, and prepare to ourselves to go short on Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar is my top of my list, better than Aussie. Aussie have a little bit of some resistance on the way.
We need some pullback though, isn't it, really?
Yeah, because even last week we said a little bit of pullback, but
on DXY?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a significant level. Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see if it's gonna break. Epi goes to, but anyway, it's have to be, because even so Aussie reaching level, Kiwi reaching level, Euro we see is dropping still lower and lower. Now is so let's have monthly time frame. Look, this is very significant level still.
Yeah. For me, I mark this because
1, 2, 3.
Exactly.
So,
if this breaks,
yeah, if it is breaks,
then okay, then I'm happy to take a bit of a trade on a short. But I've marked it on a monthly, on a week. It's a significant level. So until I see that go, then I'm not kind of interested really. Until if I see it break, okay, then I'll look at it. But then it all depends on if we go over that point on DXY.
Yeah, if the DXY is gonna break 10380, we are more than happy to go buy dollar anyway.
Yeah.
But for me, euro and pound is already maybe too late.
Pound? No, I'm not.
I'm
it's
not
gone.
interested.
It's gone. I'm not chasing that.
So that's why Kiwi, I think, so is nice, because
Kiwi's nice, but you've got a nice. What's that? This is a daily time frame. You've got a low test bar. You've got a high test bar there as well, right? You just go in.
Where on daily time frame?
Yeah, is that what I saw just now? Yeah. High test bar. But that's closing now, anyway, isn't it? A day.
No, there's for them. Yeah, almost. Yeah, I think so.
So let's see if the US session brings.
It all depends on dollar anyway. But dollar, because we see a little bit of buy on indices, so maybe we have some pullback even on commodity currency like Aussie, Kiwi. So let's see if the indices have a little bit of pullback. So maybe this one as well, they're gonna go phase 2.
Yeah.
Maybe you can even see some, if you see even some very price action here, because here as well is, for me, it's nice to see on 066, which have previously here nice interaction, but also as well there is a little bit soft level here. Let me, in this area here, you can see as well this. So let's see if it's gonna pull back here. If you see bearish price action here, it's still 65.30. Also, it's nice area to see if there is some 1 hour reversal pattern. So it's good to have short trade even here. If dollar is gonna have a shadow pullback like 1 or 2 days. So let's see, we monitor this as well. So this is our top of my list, because euro and pound for me are too lower to short, and dollar CAD I'm not interested about until I see some cycle, because it's just ranging. This is very resistance level. How many times previously is bounced back? So until
sorry guys, morning.
Good morning, Jake.
I'll just let you talk. In Australian bank raised interest rates, so we saw some spike on Aussie as expected. Tomorrow this Fed meeting at 7 again, so I think it's highly anticipated they're going to raise interest rate 0.5% on US dollar. So whether it is already priced in or are we going to see a spike up on dollar index, the 104 level, and then drop lower? I don't know, but smaller time frame, it still looks bullish, mate. It's just, doesn't, I know daily looks, one day reversal bar and then
Yeah, yes, it's inside bar, so let's see. I don't know.
Yeah, but it would be probably very limited trading on this until the Fed meeting. I don't know. Well, I probably will be sitting on the sideline. Even though after the Fed meeting, and then Thursday is pound, and then Friday is FOMC. So, but I'm not really bothered about too much of FOMC anyway. So, it's more the spike on tomorrow, that on Wednesday night, that we should watch out on that anyway.
But we are still in beginning of the month, so we are.
No, it's a lot, but the higher picture on I'm sure you touch base on indices already. There's when I done my weekend analysis, I'm not really I'm not bullish at all. Look at that. It's just, even yesterday, a low test bar, but if you drop down to hourly, the buying is at.
Oh, that's why we said there's just 1 hour bar. That's
yeah, 1 hour. Like what? This probably the short people shorting it and just take profit, and that's it. And now range again. So it's but if this 4,100 level break,
no, if it doesn't hold, we are down. Yeah,
we are going to Christmas sale basically.
Early Christmas.
I know. I was working on that. A lot of the time when I'm free, when I'm not trading, I'm just planning on what stock to buy and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So something that probably this month I will once I finish, I will do video to show what sort of level on S&P 500, NASDAQ and Dow Jones. But surely picture doesn't look great, but how you turn the negativity into your positive, for me, I'm in a healthy position. I'm liquid. I'm planning this, but I know a lot of traders, they're holding on to the position. So like we discussed last week, isn't it? Cathie Wood.
Yeah.
My goodness, if this doesn't hold, ARK will not hold. So something I think keep the trading this week very limited.
Yeah, very limited. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan anyway.
Until we don't see clear picture on dollar and index.
Yeah, and you see, look at that, an hourly. Come on, man. One corrective, and now it's making higher lows on that hour. Looks like want to say hello to the 103, the 104 area. At least say one more hello. Wouldn't surprise me tomorrow. Pop his head higher, and then we get the retracement. Yeah, and then we go to the retracement, which isn't a bad thing. We want retracement to trade, even though we said let's break 104 and trade.
Yeah, maybe catch some fish and then go like this.
So so very limited at the moment. I think I'm gonna sit on the sideline.
Yes, that's. So basically we touch most of the currency and
commodity, gold,
daily time frame.
Yeah. You see the high test bar, that level, 1916. It just didn't really give us time to trade it really.
This was nice trajectory.
Yeah, you gotta be super quick.
Yeah,
super quick. So, but we might come back to test that monthly pivot, which is around 1922 area.
Yeah, 19. Yeah.
Above, but the COD data is not supporting at the moment on gold, so there is no love on metal. The only love we're seeing is dollar. So we are. It's on my list to sell, but again, it's wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback. Silver as well.
But this as well can be nice support level here. So even if it's gonna go here like this,
yeah,
still
good. Use the EMA next then if it doesn't come back to monthly pivot. But definitely change of trend on gold. But let's see. Definitely. There's
silver is more bearish, like
very bearish. I know somebody catch on your blue line on top on that.
Yeah.
26.
Yeah.
26. I know somebody did, very, very aggressive, but pays off. Well, I didn't anyway, but waiting for a pullback on that. But this time is nice. This phase on silver is nice. Last couple of times wasn't too nice, but it is what it is. So I think
sometimes no anyway.
Yeah, so let's wait for a pullback on that on silver and see. Like it could break that, the yellow line 22. I think it could.
22-20. Yeah.
So let's see.
Yeah. Do you have any question, Malcolm?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna, as I said, there's a lot out there, isn't there? There's a lot out there, which is I need to see a lot more confirmations before stepping into anything. Even towards the end of the week, it's Friday, right? It's even got an FP. So
yeah, NFT, but don't worry about NFT too much anyway.
No, I'm not. I'm just saying I just need to see a lot more confirmations before I go into anything. This week, if anything, I probably I don't see a lot for me, if I'm being honest with you.
Yeah, do some back testing. Do some more working out. Have a plan on crypto, because I see if S&P going to break 4,100, Bitcoin is very likely to test the 20K area, sub 20K. So about Ethereum.
If it does, I don't mind putting a bit of money in, dollar cost averaging that.
Yeah, definitely. But I would hold everything until summertime. So we expected a good bounce in April. We didn't see that, and when May comes, sell in May and go away. When you have that bearish sentiment, it's not going to sell in May and go away. Probably it's going to be run away. So that's it's a big, if you go to monthly time frame, this is like big, weekly time frame, it's big head and shoulder, man. So that doesn't look bullish at all. So when that trend line breaks, pretty much nothing there, because it went straight up. Price can go straight down.
There is nothing hold until
until that area. So maybe a little bit there and then zigzag, but it went up like a rocket ship. It will drop down like a rocket ship, man. This thing. So pay attention on that. But commercials is piling up on the short contract. They're not dropping on the short contract. They drop 1 week, that's all, and then they're piling up, selling it again. I will be looking to sell it, but whether it will, if we see a bounce on indices, great, then I will sell it higher. If we don't, then we'll see. Break that trend line is top on my list to trade it, but I don't know if you guys can get access to do that, but I can do that. I think some other broker or offer it as well, like Coinbase or those broker. I'll look into it and see.
Let's see.
Does the platform you guys are doing with does it allow you to trade Bitcoin?
JDR, I'm pushing them.
No, at the moment, but I think so soon is gonna introduce Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, I think.
Yeah. No, I don't think Ripple, Luca.
No.
Ethereum for sure, Bitcoin for sure. Ripple, loads of broker don't touch it because they still have a court case. So, but it's enough. Don't trade too much on cryptocurrency. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum's behavior, I quite like it. The rest of them is, you know what it's like, Luca.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think just keep it limited, man, this week.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, Luca.
Thank you,
Have
Mark.
a good day, guys.
Have a good week,
Yeah, bye.
and see you Thursday for US section live.
All right, see you
Bye.
guys. Thank
Thank you, man. Bye bye.